Since the feedback is great, let's move on with another episode of Gadgets from Action. The guys went into the store, grabbed a few gadgets, and we're going to test if they're worth spending money on. At first, nothing special. Foldable laptop stand, but maybe useful. It's a foldable stand for a laptop. Hey, it's plastic.
All right, but in the picture, it looks like it's metal.
Yes, but it's plastic. If you have a slim tablet, you can nicely put your tablet on it.
Or?
In the kitchen, do you see that?
You can take it apart, right?
And have cross-country skis.
Like a little figure, for example.
You make a figure, you say, and I have the skis.
Take this apart, add something, and put this up. You have a sled.
You called it weak, but look at all the uses we've found, without even putting a laptop on it yet.
Listen, we put this down because we expand it, right? We expand it, dear laptop. It's almost gaming, more like para-gaming.
It has good rubber feet, so it's hard to move.
Yeah, super hard.
But that's good, just to be clear. No, it's cool, it's cool. I just don't know why I thought it would be nice if it was a bit lower, just a subtle...
And at the highest, that's already hardcore.
But no, at the highest, it's still watchable.
That's already, watchable.
Unless you want to feel like you're at self-checkout, right?
Listen, the stand is what it is. Since it's not synchronized, doing it all at once is tough. It could be...
These legs aren't synchronized.
You have to count. I have a steel one. I use it. It's nice, and I'll tell you why I use it. Because I might have a mess under my laptop.
And that's the argument, not some price or build quality.
You can't have a mess under this laptop since it lies flat to the end. I have one where I have like a little shelf here, and it moves around here, That steel one probably cost about 40 or 50 zlotys, but I don't remember exactly. If it's priced well, you can use it with an inexpensive laptop. But if you have a very expensive laptop, then price won't matter and you'll get a good one.
Yes, you'll be afraid that it will break, even though that's impossible, but you'll still be afraid.
I wouldn't put it down. If I bought some Mac for, 15,000, I swear I wouldn't put it down. Shtaba, take a guess at the price.
It's under 20 zlotys, it's 11.49. No, damn, I can't believe it, man.
Listen, how can this cost 8.90?
I'd pay that much for those skis.
Yeah, hey, for 8.90.
But you know what?
Amazing.
If it were metal, because you said you have those metal ones, it could be one of those incense holders. You stick it in here and it burns, right?
Dude, for 8.90, I think I'll just take out those rubber bands, right? Let's keep going.
Let's keep going.
I see that this is complete because it was set aside like that. The largest worldwide...
Gromnica?
No, gromnica is...
Ah, yes, Gromnica, that's the tall one.
Scented candle, nectarine, blossom, honey. And they promise a lot because there are top notes, middle notes, and notes without notes.
I saw it in action, but I thought it was a bowl, right? When I looked, right in the middle of it, I thought it was a cool glass bowl.
But you're right, because it's super...
I don't know, maybe for salad or arugula.
It's super thick glass, Shtaba. You can't feel anything at all. It has no smell.
But there's 2 tons of wax here.
Not at all.
I left it here and nothing happened, nothing.
Not sure if you can hear since Kuba lacks a mic. He says he left it for a long time and it never smelled. Now listen, it's like a candle. It looks like something for a funeral. Like those big ones that you lay down. Primosh.
I'll tell you, it's a great candle.
Primosh, this is the biggest scented candle.
Oh, this isn't a scented candle, it's a little altar.
12 fragrance notes. Go ahead, smell this over here. We, the 3 of us, officially declare it's awful.
But wait.
It's ugly and has no smell.
If it's cheap, buy it for your bowl.
Buy it for your bowl.
But I don't know how much it costs for $29.99?
50 bucks? No, 25. And you, how much?
50 bucks.
Oh, you sly dog.
44. Buy a better bowl. We had a rule that if we didn't like something, we wouldn't dwell on it. You write in the comments, maybe our noses are burnt out, maybe it smells super strong in your homes. Let the comments become a compendium of knowledge for other people. If you have it and use it right, if, when it was finished, you made gyros in it, and we're moving on. Damn, a portable scepter for the toilet. The kind you can take with you on a train and use on PKP.
Sorry for peeling potatoes because we once showed a life hack on how to... You can throw young potatoes into a bucket and quickly peel off their skins.
That's true, that's how it was.
And it works.
Dear friends, a set of brushes, 3 pieces, for removing stubborn dirt. It fits almost all cordless drills. Before cleaning the surface, soak it with water and a mild
Detergent.
non-abrasive cleaning agent. Brushes should never be immersed in water. Why? Read the drill instructions before use. That's what it says. Test the product in a hidden spot first.
Shouldn't there be an extension cord or something?
No.
Look how short it is now.
No, because you clean it, I use this for cleaning upholstery while making furniture. Ladies and gentlemen, I think everyone will be interested.
What do we want to sand with this?
Dirty grout in the bathroom, for scrubbing the grout in the bathroom. This, the smaller one, is for grout. The bigger one was for the bathtub. It's dirty. Hop, cleaned up. Click, hop. It's kind of felga, somewhere in the middle.
Do you guys really think someone would clean a rim with something that sharp?
A steel bar.
Well, steel maybe. But who cleans steel rims?
Keep an open mind. Great idea. You do things like that yourself. Remember when we used to make them by drilling and screwing brushes together?
Yeah.
Those nuts loosen over time, but this one is tight.
You can see that people watch our channels and then adjust their production to...
If it's got a good price, I'm not sure what I just said, but what I meant is if it's reasonably cheap, then it's cool. Seems reasonable. I'm really in favor of this gadget. I know it's useful. I've also washed upholstery like that and even cleaned it in some.
However, I would consider adding, for example, to other sets a bit...
Something longer?
No, so that there would be different levels
of hardness.
Hardness.
I'm taking the next one.
Next, yes.
Staba, I see that we got an episode without any gadgets.
Is this a watch? Where are the hands? I see, it's for kids. My Link Kids watch.
If a child can't tell time but wants a watch, you buy them something like this.
A strap, so you buy them a strap.
Just a strap with something in the middle. No, this is a toy. There are no hands here. There's no display.
Are you crazy?
What? Are you crazy?
So why is he getting worked up?
I know it's not a watch, so why does it say it is?
Was it so thick it bothered kids' wrists?
No, it lights up. Kids like it when something lights up, just not too much.
No, it's not a bar. There's a drawing here.
This is a puzzle.
Maybe it opens at a certain time? And who set it up?
Maybe with that other green button. Is that a button?
No.
Ah, okay. I thought that. I saw. So the whole thing opens, not just that spinning crap.
How did you... A kid will never open this. I know who will never solve this puzzle.
Me.
Me plus Krzysztof. Do you know how to tell time?
Yes.
When did you get your first watch?
I don't know. I don't remember that.
Give me your hand. Close your eyes.
Yes. Perfect.
Tell me, what time is it? Spin around and listen. Can you guess? It always stops at which one?
The hungry one at the hungry hour.
That it's time for...
Food.
Yes. A watch for picky eaters.
Krzysztof, are you serious now?
No.
This watch shows the time.
No.
No, it doesn't.
What time is it? This is a watch for kids and it shows the time. What time is it?
No, there's no way. No. It's a gadget.
Then stay for one.
No.
Figure out that watch. We're moving on, but we usually consider it probably too messy, right?
Krzysztof is figuring it out.
Yeah, 1740, and that's what we think about it. What the price says. Nothing. Not much, not little. But Krzysztof is figuring it out. I also like that I've been running since yesterday. But I think these gadgets, if you drive a car after dark, you know, it's kind of a Polish thing that we dress in gray, dark, dull colors. You can't see them. Watch the batteries or fluid. The rest concerns batteries. Armbands. Yeah, that's awesome.
What the? I don't know, 4 or 5 of these from all the festivals.
No, Staba, you don't have this kind since it has an LED.
But mine are reflective. But they don't light up.
These are reflective too. Okay, I'm in favor of it. Never mind, this is a quick gadget. Krzysztof, do you think it's necessary?
I support this because safety is the priority.
2 14s Lotus. If they don't light up, they're reflective, and if they do, they shine. Krzysztof, what time is it?
I give up. I don't know. In my opinion, I like these kinds of toys puzzles, but this one was too much for me.
This is a puzzle.
A child won't be able to open this.
The whole compass in the front, man, like the compass doesn't even hint that you can open it.
But let me say, it's very hard to open.
Should I go or am I supposed to stay here?
No, you really like it, don't you?
I like it.
The last one?
Yes.
All right, I'm reaching for it.
What is it?
I think it's a clothesline.
Damn, can I want this?
Wow.
Wow,
Because I already have one like that. In a rubber casing, but it's already torn.
it has built-in clips. Elastic clothesline. Yes, that's what you use to wash. It works well for travel with hooks for easy attachment between trees. 10 coated hooks, length 1.90 meters. It can be stretched up to 240.
No, sir. I need a 15-meter one. This won't work.
Now they've set us up because I think we need to check if it can stretch to 3. It's so heavy.
Aha, because it's coated like that, but it's heavy, right? I didn't know they had jewelry at Action. Party style.
Ah, I already see one problem. That's a big problem. When you have a towel, you just put it on and clip it with a clothespin. If it's attached, how can I clip the towel with a clothespin?
One towel corner here, the other there, unfortunately.
But this clothespin doesn't grip as well as it does on the towel.
If it has to hang,
It hangs. It hangs when it's wet.
you have to do it high up in the trees, yeah?
But I don't think that's what Martin meant.
All right. We already have a theory, though I was worried it might be useless.
Because what you mean is that you'd like to hang it like that.
Yes, and clip it with a clothespin.
Yes, yes.
All right.
And this is where the clip pinches. It doesn't hold, it just pinches here and
I'm fastening the little bugger.
no way, really.
Yeah, really.
But no, that's not it.
It blows. It blows right away.
But what right away?
Well, it blows, so it's windy. That's it. Maybe like this?
No, it'll launch. It'll launch.
No, it won't.
Ah, I know how. Look, you do it like this. There you go.
How?
On the side,
Aha. All right.
very gently. I think this will work. Okay. If there's a strong wind in Pod Hull, then no, but otherwise it works.
The bacon is pretty much okay. The assumptions, cool.
Peaceful assumptions, but
It would probably come in handy for camping though. Wow, 9 zlotys. These prices are amazing. Action offers great deals. 9 zlotys is a very good price. I'm reaching for another gadget. I grabbed something that I thought would save my ass on more than one trip, even though I never iron when I'm traveling. I've already said liquid iron.
I'm really curious if this works.
Kubash, when you put it together, did you maybe put it together for us too? Do you see this, Kuba?
Oh, and we'll be able to hang it up.
We shake it well, and look at this. I don't know if I'm using this correctly.
But what a nice breeze. So gentle. But look, it smells so nice.
Yeah.
Damn, I spray this on myself. Now I already spray this on myself.
As if you had washed it.
Yeah, but it's cool.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's straightened out. Where it was wrinkled, the liquid didn't get in. This shirt is already straight. Amazing. Listen, I sprayed too much. Let's do this part again.
I'm honestly shocked. This is really cool.
All right, just like this.
Are you spraying so little?
This is unreal.
Yeah.
This is technology, folks.
National Aeronautics and Space Administration?
National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
In my opinion, it's a very useful gadget. It works well. The animation is cool. If it costs 10 zlotys, then without a doubt it will be...
The animation makes the textures vanish for you.
14.
Even if it cost 29, I'd still buy it.
a fair price.
Guys, an awesome gadget.
Yes.
Awesome! It's clever. It's amazing. We're doing a few more today. Damn, something I was supposed to buy.
I always wanted to buy it and I never did because I didn't know if it actually worked like that. And I'm really curious, can you actually charge 3 things at once? I mean, you put down your watch, phone, and headphones and you're good to go. Thank you, Kubush.
Packed like sandwiches for a trip. Good that it's matte. I was worried.
Hey, but it's nice.
It barely takes up space in your suitcase when traveling. Guys, it's 15 watts, so not very fast. But I guess these don't charge that fast. Charging 3 devices at the same time.
Hey, awesome.
Foldable and unfolds easily. Comes with a cable and 3-year warranty.
This cable is longer and the C1 costs more.
I'm putting the phone down.
No.
Where's my phone? Come on, give me the whole set already.
He has a watch too.
Give me your whole set.
Like it used to be, Kuba, hand over your loot.
Buddy, are your teeth itching?
His devices are glowing red from low battery, including the watch.
Because he has a watch like that?
I see you have experience.
My friend thinks we forgot.
All right, attention, Krzychu. It's not charging.
Try pressing it.
Wow, it's not charging. That's a great test. Do you have yours, Kubush?
We have everything here, please.
The Samsung power bank charges normally when I set it down.
Do you think they did it for safety?
The touch one from IKEA charges for me, but this one doesn't charge my watch.
Wait, let's see if it charges, since it may not work with the power bank.
Is the red one charging?
It's charging?
Then you need to put your watch on now. It's dropping, look.
But yeah, it's charging.
No, I thought it would drop.
Bravo.
Loading, 3 loading, okay.
It works.
Give me your watch.
And now,
Charging.
well, with the power bank turned off, not so much.
But the bad taste remains, right?
The bad taste remains. No way. This is crap. This is such a weak solution. It's going to fail.
It's missing a leg, right?
But I'll be honest with you, this,
That it's going to sag after a while?
I'm very skeptical. This is that plastic. Like this.
I would make it as an emergency charger in the garage, maybe.
44. I'm giving up. I'm buying a regular one.
Sir.
I'm giving up here. I'll tell you why. Because I think the charger is another issue. Safety. Do you know how many chargers catch fire?
They catch fire, yes. All right.
Let's use my suggestion. Pay more and get a professional one. It likely has certifications. It's still made in China and weighs 2 grams, unless you have it and say otherwise in the comments. We also have a big favor to ask. Your thumbs up help us grow.
Even though we've been recording for you for almost 20 years, YouTube's algorithms work in such a way that when they see people like the video or that someone subscribed during the video, so check if you have.
Click the thumbs up. If someone comments, it signals the video is engaging and boosts its ranking. Show them to all of YouTube. The final gadget is next.
Woo.
Guys, when I peeked into the bag, I knew what was in there.
You left it for last.
I left it for last. There's equipment.
So either we'll eat something or we'll go out or something.
There's equipment that I love. My kids love it too.
UFO!
Kubish, did you charge it? You did. It'll look this good. Trust me. I'll talk as your experienced friend.
Alright, okay.
It looks shabby. It's a flying ball, unidentified flying object. It's a drone inside a ball.
That's cool.
And now you control it yourselves.
No, there are two little fans inside the ball.
Listen, there's a remote and you can't turn anything on with it. What's the worst kind of remote? It's like infrared. You have to aim it right at it. You can't just turn something off with it. It's mainly for emergencies, like if the ball gets away from you. Charging is unreliable, as I've experienced this before. Turning it on,
Oh dear, power. That's so cool.
and look what's happening.
A finger grinding machine.
This is the conveyor.
Great.
Look, if I set it, it will fly quickly toward you. If I tilt it upward, it will fall gently. And look, I'm throwing it to you.
Wow.
Catch.
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 Catch him. Hey, that's awesome.
Come on.
But throw it just gently. Try it.
Air to the back.
Catch.
Not sideways. Straight. Straight.
Damn, where is it? Come on, Kriku. How did you get behind the cabinet?
If I tried, I wouldn't have managed to do it.
Is there a hole back there?
Yeah, I see the hole now.
Wow.
And on that optimistic note, we say goodbye to you.
Kuba. Note where it landed. Amazing. Show the spot, Staba.
It flew this way. It was making this kind of...
Come on, it's about to turn off.
Watch out, do you see? Oh, that thing that's shining, that's it. And it's far away.
But we messed up, yeah. You can play alone, you can bounce it off the wall. When you toss it, it floats gently, it falls down. A toy costs 36 zlotys, more than the others, but trust me, it's worth it. That's how it goes sometimes. The worst part is that I was holding it, tossing it to the side with my hand, just so you could have fun, so you could enjoy yourselves. Buy it. It's a blast. My kids usually play with something for about 7 minutes.
Because that's how long the battery lasts.
That's the point. They're excited, but the next day it's less like kids. With this, we play for days. It works amazingly.
Yes, that's true.
It's very useful in every home, especially for cleaning bathrooms and bathtubs. It's about safety, so you can never have too much of it.
Rave party.
It's like, well, I don't know, I don't go camping. You blockhead.
I have to believe, right? Seeing how it works for those 8 seconds convinced me it's awesome.
But you saw he didn't throw it.
I already have it, but if I didn't, I would take it and even pay more. Of everything else, I especially like this one.
13 zlotys, and it's cool. Krzysiu, are you taking the watch?
No.
It's really terrible.
I'm taking the ball because I like how it works in slow motion and shines beautifully. For my abilities, it's colorful. Secondly, there's a sprayer, for sure. Third, let's say safety, because sometimes I like to run too.
Thank you for today's episode, Sebastian and Krzysztof. It was beautiful. Kubush, thank you. Watch our previous and upcoming stuff. If you like them, there will probably be more gadgets, maybe every week.
Bye!